Assalamu alaikum. This is Porosh again. And last time I added sound for the menu, and the sound was this one, very high tempo. So I think I should change the sound. I don't like this sound, and it doesn't match the menu. So I'll replace the sound with another one. Here you see I have other sounds too. Last time I imported this one, but I will not use this one. I think I should use this one. It matches, I think. Slower tempo. Okay. And so to do so, all I have to do is to just go to File, Import to Library, and I'll import this one and new sound. And this sound is longer than the previous one, so I have to also change the counter, the timing. Here you see I have the class for that sound, FBD script, and this is the class. I couldn't open it from here because I don't have any object here, because last time I deleted the movie clip, so I had to open it going to that folder. And now here, as the new sound is bigger length from the previous one, from this one, so I have to also change the counter here. But first I'll replace it. I will copy this name and delete this one, the previous sound, and paste the same name here and export it for action script, and also change here, and okay, and it is done. If I test it, okay, test it, and now the sound has been changed, and this is better than previous one, but this sound is bigger the length from the previous one, almost 4 times. So here I have to change the counter, otherwise it will create a problem. Okay, so it is time consuming, so I'm gonna pause this video here, and I'll come back when I get the actual number. Here I'm back, and I think this 2400 number is suitable for this sound, so I have changed it here, and you see, and I think this sound is also suitable for this menu. If I test it, you see, the more the sound length, the more you have to increase this amount of number. Okay, so as it is done for the menu, and the sound is preferable for me, or I think you too, and this sound is also good to listen to. So now if I click play, I go on the game, the sound is also removed, everything is alright. And now for the first level I'd like to have a sound. This is not the first level, this one is the last one. So here, selecting the game frame, game action frame, I'll go inside the action panel, and first I'll change the became levels from 5 to 1, and if I test it I should see the first level. Yes, and now here I want to have a sound. So I have already few sounds that downloaded, so I'm gonna import all of them. Import to library, and here I have other sounds. By selecting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, by selecting these, just click open, and here I have got other sounds for my levels. The first one, I have already a movie clip, menu sound movie clip. Here I'll just get rid of the trace, and now I will save as it and save at the same location and change the name. Type SND1, that means it will be 1 for first level, so I name it SND1. Save, and I'll change it here, SND1 sound 1, and also copy this and change it here too, and that's it. And now here right click property and name it sound 1. Press OK. Now it has been exported for ActionScript, and here I'll just change 1 equal to new sound 1. It doesn't match with my movie clip. I should change this one. I should change it to level sound 1, level SND1. It makes sense, I think. And here I will type sound 1 equal to new sound 1, sound 1 dot play, and I have to also change the name as I have changed here, but I have to go there and rename the file. Here now I think it is okay. And here when the game starts, I want the sound to be played here. Okay, so when level 1 starts, here I'll also add that sound, not sound, that movie clip, that class, not movie clip, because I have already deleted the movie clip. So here I'll type var level sound 1 colon level sound 1. I should make it capital letter, equal to be new level sound 1, and here I'll just type add child, level sound 1, and if I play, it should play the sound. Test it. But here I have to change the number because I don't have any idea how long this sound will be playing, so I have to change the number, but I have to trace the counter first, then I have to change the number. $14.50 maybe. Okay, so here $14.50 will be better, I think. Whatever, I can change it later on, and I am satisfied with that number. And now when the game is over, I want this sound to be stopped or removed. So here I have to uncomment the when player hit the maze and test it. To remove this sound or this sound class, I have to make an array. var sound 1 array, and array equal to be new array, and when level 1 starts, here I have to push the levels on 1 into this array. And now when the game is over, so here when player hit the maze, game over is true, and when game over is true, here I have used custom function, so I will make a for loop here. For var L1 integer equal to 0, L1 less than sound 1 array dot length L1 plus plus var current sound 1 colon level sound 1 class equal to be sound 1 array L1, and here level 1 sound 1 array dot splice L1 1 remove child this current sound 1, and also I need to have this sound when the level is completed, so I copy this, and when level complete is true, here I have already added the remove items. So I don't need this any longer, I think, because this remove items custom function is being executing here and when the level complete here, so I don't need it. If I test it, control test, and it is done. And if I yes, it is working fine. And now I'll add the sound for the second level and third level and fourth level, fifth level, and you know the technique how I did this, so I'm not gonna show you this one. In the next tutorial I'll be adding some animation on the game complete or game menu. In here, all of this movie clip, I will add animation, some animation like text animation and this button animation. Okay, so I think this tutorial is helpful to you. If you think this tutorial is helpful to you and you like this tutorial, please do subscribe me, share this video, put a lot of comments. And you know guys, when you comment, it inspired me. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.